Ano po yung background ninyo? Civilian or military or police?
PNP po, Your Honor.
There
PNP.
is a real connection between Pogo and drugs, Mr. Chair. And
Ano yung rason kung bakit na-recruit po kayo? Dahil ang nire-recruit sa PNP ay college graduate.
so, puro
Your Honor.
imported rice na galing Vietnam ang nila pinapadala rito. At ang ating mga magasaka ay nagko-complain na pinababayaan po sila dahilan sa imported rice na ito at kay Tony Yang pala ang Golden Sun, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ba may special relationship na rin yun?
Wala pong special na relationship po, Your Honor.
Sige, kasi I have received reports na yung sasakyan ng PNP ay nandun sa Bamban paminsan-minsan.
Ang tinatanong ko po, anong kondisyon ng room o detention cell or facility na inilalagay si Cassandra Ong? Alice Go.
Your Honor, sa condition po ni Ms. Alice Go, meron po treated po siya as a regular or ordinary person deprived of liberty. Meron po siyang isang room, maliit na room, meron siyang isang higaan, meron siyang isang ceiling fan, at sa loob ng maliit na room na yon, Your Honor, doon na rin po yung comfort room niya, Your Honor.
Do you allow her to have her cell phone?
Please, can you repeat, Your Honor?
Pinapayagan niyo ba na may cellphone si Cassandra Ong?
Honor.
Alice Go.
Strictly prohibited, Your Honor, lahat po ng electronic gadgets, Your Honor, to include yung cell phones and radios and other electronic gadgets, Your Honor.
Sa ngayon, sigurado ka wala siyang cellphone.
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Alice Go, wala kang cellphone.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi siya pinapayagan na tumawag. Yung visitation pala,
Yes, Your Honor.
ay schedule. Paano?
During weekdays, Your Honor, ang schedule po ng visitation is from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And during weekdays, Your Honor, it will start from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, Your Honor. During weekdays, Your Honor.
Weekends?
Weekends, Your Honor, it will start from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Your Honor.
Paano yung security niya papunta rito? Kasi, as mentioned by Miss Alice Go, may threat siya. Ilan ba yung security na dala niyo dito sa kanya?
Your Honor, ang security package for the movement of PUPC Alice Go is composed of 45 all PNP personnel, Your Honor.
45.
45, Your Honor.
So, the government is spending that much for Miss Alice Go with 45 security escort. That is the directive coming from your higher-ups.
That is the regular security package every time we have a movement of the persons under PNP custody, Your Honor.
Tago yung ating mga Chinese personalities pretending to be Filipinos, but also in the different corporations. Like this Sanjia Steel Corporation, who have invested 800 million in the PBDEG, Philippine Industrial Area, wherein 22 hectares belong to us. He rented it out, the 22 hectares, where he put also a port, a wharf, wherein doon po nagdadak yung mga ship na kung saan pinapasok po yung mga kargamento papunta po doon sa kanilang Sanjia Steel Corporation. Kwarto-kwarto wherein the POGO operation is being conducted. In here, Mr. Chairman, I'll be showing as well the different. I'm not going to show the different financial bank transaction wherein the different exchanges of money that involves those who are in the drug trade. We will withhold on the showing of this matrix. And I think the PAOK TF kay Dr. Winston Casio, who is now with Mr. Tony Yang, may have the proper knowledge of expressing the whole and the totality of this matrix. But in this matrix that we have seen, Mr. Chairman, I can see prominent personalities that are involved in the drug trade. Most likely, all the drugs that some of those entering in our country pass through that port, hiding in a legitimate business.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.
Mr. Chair, can I just say something?
Yes, Congressman Abante.
It means, Mr. Chair, according to the manifestation of Congressman Dan Fernandez, that there is a real connection between Pogo and drugs, Mr. Chair. And that is what our people need to know, that there is a real connection here between Pogo and drugs and Chinese syndicate, Mr. Chair.
Yung smuggling ng rice, vegetables, petroleum, and then, yun nga, ginamit po nila yung PBDEC. They have contracted a memorandum of understanding na kung saan yung 47 hectares will be converted. Gagawin pong yung kanilang tinatawag na Steel Manufacturing Corporation. But you have to realize, Mr. Chairman, that ang laki po ng kanilang ng kanilang tinatawag na kailangan pera para ma-develop po yung lugar. Pero yung kanilang capital outlay, paid up capital is only less than 25 million. So how can they put up a big facility like this, di ba? Na ang kanilang paid up capital is only below the amount that they are constructing in that area. So yung pong Yangtze rice mill, wherein hundreds of millions pass through their account, dito po nila dinadaan yung mga bigas. Kung pakikita natin lang, pakita na natin yung Yangtze rice mill.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Mr.
can I
Chair,
interject?
I just wanted to show the Yangtze rice
Okay,
mill,
after
which
the-
is owned also by Tony Yang, wherein millions of pesos pass through their account, including those who are involved in the drug trade. The
Sige.
name of Nono, Wenson Lee, Michael Yang, lahat po yan andun po sa kanilang transaction. Andun talaga lahat ang kanilang mga pangalan. At andun ang amount. Ayan po, yung kanilang Yangtze Rice Mill. Na kung makikita nyo po, ang address ng Yangtze Rice Mill is Alwana Business Park, Cagman, Cagayan de Oro City. At pinag-uusapan dito, 2 years ago pa, na nakikita po natin na talagang may koneksyon ng Pogo, may koneksyon ng mga korporasyon, ng mga Chinese corporation,
Rice cartel.
at meron yung sa drug cartel, meron sa rice
Rice
cartel,
cartel.
and different kind of smuggling that is being perpetrated by that corporation, legitimized by those Chinese personalities that pretended to be Filipinos.
Kaya pala kawawa ang mga farmers natin. Dahilan sa Golden Sun na ito, puro imported rice na galing Vietnam ang nila pinapadala rito. At ang ating mga magasaka ay nagko-complain na pinababayaan po sila dahilan sa imported rice na ito at kay Tony Yang pala ang Golden Sun, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw ay humarap dito sa Quad Committee dahil ayaw mo raw na na-humiliate ka o ini-embarrass ka dito sa committee ito. And that was a statement na ginawa ng iyong mga abogado over media, no? Sa isang interview sa social media, sinabi niya yon. Kaya ngayon, because you actually requested for that, and there was a motion earlier which was unanimously approved na ikaw ay ilipat sa Women's Correctional. So anong iyong masasabi? Wala kang masasabi. Okay. In that case, Congressman Acop, maybe we can complete and continue the motion.
Mr. Chair, I would like to repeat my motion. May I move that Ms. Cassandra Ong, because of the contempt that, because we have cited her in contempt, should be detained at the Correctional Institute for Women in Mandaluyong for a period of 30 days. So move, Mr. Chair. May I be allowed to ask you some personal questions?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes. Ano po yung background ninyo? Civilian or military or police?
PNP po, Your Honor.
PNP. Ano po yung trabaho nyo nung nasa kayo PNP at ano po yung ranko ninyo?
Police Officer po, 1.
I beg your pardon?
Police Officer 1 po, Your Honor.
Police Officer 1. And how long have you been in the service of the PNP?
Naka 20 plus po ako, Your Honor.
And ano po yung ranko ninyo nung kayo'y umalis sa serbisyo?
Parehas lang po, Your Honor.
Ano po ang nangyari? Dahil 20 years, hindi ba dapat SPO4 ka na?
Hindi po ako na-promote, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi ka na-promote?
Hindi na po ako nagpa-promote, Your Honor.
Kahit sa civilian institution, ang gusto po nila ay ma-promote. Ikaw lang ang ayaw ma-promote. Bakit?
Your Honor, talagang hindi na po ako na-promote po, Your Honor. Your Honor, talagang hindi na po ako na-promote.
Mr. Chair, I think the resource person is not answering appropriately the question that I have propounded. Uy, kayo ang chairman.
Yes, Mayor, can you please answer directly the query of Chairman Acop? Kasi nadidinig ko paulit-ulit yung sagot mo. Please answer precisely.
Yun po talaga, Mr. Chair, hindi po talaga ako na-promote po magmula nung pumasok po ako.
Tinanong mo ba kung bakit hindi ka na-promote o pre-promote ng mga authorities na PNP?
Undergrad po ako nung ano po, Your Honor, so hindi
So,
na
in other words, pag undergrad ka, hindi ka qualified nung pumasok ka dahil ang qualification ay dapat graduate ka ng college. Ganun po ba ang sitwasyon?
may special enlistment po sa IG po, doon po ako nakapasok po sa
Ano po?
PNP.
Ano po yung kwan? Ano yung rason kung bakit na-recruit po kayo? Dahil ang nire-recruit sa PNP ay college graduate.
Your Honor, nung na-enlist po ako sa IG, doon po ako naipasok po na sa police po.
Di ka na nag-asawa?
May kinakasama po ako.
Ngayon, may kinakasama ka ngayon.
Opo, Your Honor.
Paano ka napunta sa SWAL?
Nung ako po'y nagretiro, pinalaban po ako doon ng dalawang politika po.
Pinalaban ka sa politika?
Opo, dalawang politika po.
Dalawang
mga nasa politika po, politiko, sir.
Pwede po bang malaman, masabi dito sa committee, kung sino po yung political benefactors po ninyo kaya kayo tumakbo na mayor ng Sual, Pangasinan?
Pinatakbo ko po ng dating governor po at congressman po ng 1st District.
Congressman ng 1st District, governor. Sino po yung governor at saka congressman?
Governor Amado Espino Jr., sir.
And then the congressman?
Congressman Art Celeste, sir, Your Honor.
Art Celeste. Dininay mo, Mayor, that you have a special relationship with Miss Alice Go. Tama?
Opo, Your Honor, at totoo naman po.
Ang tanong ko lang, may mga sinyales na ipapakita na merong kayong special o isang o dalawang tao may special relationship kagaya ng paghawak-hawak ng kamay sa parke.
Hindi ko po masabi
Hindi ba?
po kung ganun po yung may pagtitinginan po.
Hindi ka naniniwala doon.
Your Honor.
Yung halimbawa, bibisitahin ka sa iyong lugar ng isang babae whose place is 4 hours away by land. Hindi ba kung bibisitahin ka, may special relationship yun?
Hindi naman po siguro na 4 na oras special na po, Your Honor.
4 na oras yung Bamban to Sual, Pangasinan, di ba? Yung average. Maliban lang kung naka-helicopter yung bibisita sa iyo, di ba? Would you agree?
Hindi ko po pakiulit po, Your Honor.
Sabi ko, pag bumisita sa iyo ang isang babae na ang distansya ay it would take 4 hours to travel, hindi ba may special relationship na?
Wala naman po siguro, Your Honor, kung
Lalo na kung magtra-travel siya by helicopter dahil napakalayo yung 4 na oras eh.
wala naman po sigurong special na
At kung
relasyon.
yung lalaki, bibisita sa Bamban, Tarlac, 4 hours away, escorted by a PNP vehicle. Hindi ba may special relationship na rin yun?
Wala pong special na relationship po, Your Honor.
Sige, kasi I have received reports na yung sasakyan ng PNP ay nandun sa Bamban paminsan-minsan. At ang reports din, nabibisita ka ng naka-helicopter.
Wala po akong helicopter, Your Honor.
Hindi, sabi ko yung bumibisita sa iyo naka-helicopter. Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw ang may helicopter. Di ba?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Wala ang ganun, ah. Now, do you know Wesley Go?
Opo, Your Honor.
And you also know Alice Go?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes. How did you come to know them?
Nakilala ko po sila noon kung di po ako nagkakamali, mga 2016 na, Your Honor.
Si Mr. Duan Ren Wu, did you meet him?
Hindi ko po kilala po yung Duan.
May I ask the page? So, hindi pinakilala ni Madam Go at saka Miss Casiong, si Duan Ren Wu?
Hindi po, Your Honor, at napakaraming bisita po nung araw na yan po.
Okay, sige.